Hey Confident Naturals, welcome to my channel. I'm Janeah Simone. Today I'm going to be doing a Flexi Rod set on my natural 4C hair. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now and stay tuned. Right now I'm about to shampoo my hair with my Gently Cleanse Me shampoo that I hand make myself, all natural and vegan. You can check out the link to my website down below. This is a low lather, gentle cleansing shampoo. It gives the hair a really good clean, but does not strip the hair of its natural nutrients. So yes, and then I'm gonna just rinse that out and just see how soft my hair looks and how amazing my curl definition is, because it is popping. Upon rinsing that out, I'm going to use my Quench My Curls Deep Conditioner, which is super hydrating. I'm going to put this in my hair and finger detangle and leave it on for about 15 minutes. I realized recently that I definitely have to shampoo and deep condition my hair in two sections, so that's why the left side of my hair is in a scrunchie. So I'm going to take my time right now to finger detangle, which really is a really important step and really helps the hair when it comes to styling. So I'm going to just tie this up and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Here's a glance of my hair with the deep conditioner out. So I just finished shampooing and deep conditioning, and my curls are popping and my hair is super soft, and now it is time to detangle. So I'm going to separate my hair in 4 separate sections because I feel like it just gets detangled more thoroughly that way. And I'm going to go in with my Leave It To Me leave-in conditioner, which is a really hydrating leave-in moisturizer, super great for daily moisture and just detangling. So I'm going to apply that from root to tip all through my hair, and I'm going to take my wide tooth comb to just detangle that section. So we detangled the whole head, so I'm going to just separate the front section of my head and the back of my hair, and then I'm going to separate both those sections into 2. So starting with the back, we're going to put these Flexi Rods in. I'm using my Cream Curl Enhancing Styler, which is super moisturizing and gives the hair a soft hold and keeps it moisturized with great shine. I think this would be really great for these Flexi Rods. So I'm going to just apply this all throughout this section, making sure it's from root to tip, and then we're going to grab our Flexi Rods and start twisting. I used about 25 Flexi Rods all together. I have tried Flexi Rod sets several times with different people's products, mainly like mousse and things like that, but I really feel like my products are going to make this style really stand out. So I'm going to just twist, keeping the Flexi Rod still and twisting my hair around the Flexi Rod. This honestly took me about an hour to do, but I feel really confident that they're going to come out cute. So I have nowhere to go right now because I'm on my maternity leave. So I'm going to let these dry for 2 complete days. And this is me taking it out after the second day drying. And I'm going to just unravel them each and then separate each section into 2 or 3 if necessary, and just twisting it around my finger to make sure it keeps the definition of the curl. So this is with all the rollers out. I'm pretty impressed actually. This is the best Flexi Rod set I have done on myself. I'm going to just fluff it up a little bit because you know on the first day hair is flat, but I love the curl definition. I love how it's still elongated and looking shiny and healthy, and I feel really cute actually. So I just put on some mascara and some lip gloss because like I said, I'm on maternity leave and not really going anywhere, but I really like the way that this came out. Hit that like and subscribe button right now.